Based in southern Denmark, moving forward since 2001 and rooted in Danish engineering excellence, Arctiko is a widely recognized supplier of leading-edge freezing solutions for the medical industry on an international scale. With focus on healthcare and life science segments globally, we offer a wide product range within cryogenic freezers, ultra-low temperature freezers, biomedical freezers and refrigerators, and blood bank refrigerators that can meet any application from -150 to +10 degrees Celsius. With reliability and durability in focus, the safety of our customers' valuable samples is our main priority. Our highly regarded research and development engineers constantly improve our products and strive towards the highest performance and efficiency rate through testing based on environmentally proved methods and required certifications. Arctiko is certified according to ISO 9001 and ISO 13485, ensuring that our products at all times will comply with applicable quality standards. We offer products that always meet the essential requirements of EU directives for medical devices and CE marking. With more than 5,000 square meters of modern warehouse facilities based in Europe, the United States and Asia, we are capable of fast worldwide deliveries. And with more than 100 passionate distributors, you will always meet a dedicated team of industry experts with extensive know-how that provide high-level service and support around the clock. At Arctiko, innovative ideas are turned into strong and reliable results. Inspired by innovation and driven by our customers, we constantly optimize our product portfolio and service level to meet market needs in more than 100 countries worldwide. Arctiko truly are cooling specialists.